name is Bill. I make them dollar bills. I stack them up and put them in my fridge and let them chill.
You are my buddy and you start work next week. No more lunch dates. Wow. I haven't talked too much about it, but Dean is starting a new job this week. Not thrilled.
I'm thrilled.
I mean, it's nice to be working, but Dean is a home creature and he's gonna be away for a little bit, so he's gonna be sad.
You guys want to know how to hold chopsticks really cool like?
Okay.
If you want an elegant way to hold chopsticks, go as far as you can. Just put these two pieces like right here.
Yeah.
This one gets clamped like that. And then you're going to hold this one with a pencil.
And I hold them so lightly. You're not holding a lot of force, right?
3 of the pencil, and the middle one is locked. And then you can kind of just even them up so they touch. And then you're good. Then you have it more elegant. You're like,
And I think people worry they have to hold them so tight. You don't.
when you eat rice, don't hold them so angular. Bring your clamped one
Just make it like a scoop.
to join. No, you don't. You still use it. It's just very close. But don't hold them so. Don't do that. Feels like a
Talking a little bit about Dean heading off to work. So I'm about to embark on some solo parenting. You guys will see it all go down in the vlogs. And we're hoping to take a little trip out to visit Dean. Okay, Esme, breakfast. Yeah. For it. Jackie, pancakes. Is it harder on the carpet? Do just the floor. You're tired. All right, so we're clean. We have the air purifier going. Everything's been wiped down, I think. Good enough. And the fish has been fed.
Laffy Taffy.
Laffy Taffy. We've got some peppermint oil diffusing. Smells lovely in here, doesn't it, children? And then let's see, we've wiped down the sink. We've cleaned the toilet. I need to make that bed, but I've cleaned up in here. And the kitchen is lovely and clean. So now what do we gotta do? Oh, that's nice. Put out some place settings, cool.
Hi.
Hello, darling. Oh, you know the rule. If you go up the stairs, you gotta grab something that's on the stairs. Like grab your baby or something. That's the rule. Oh my God, I'm winded. So, tidied up everything. Started a load of laundry. Whew, time check. It's 12. My play date's at 1. I'm legit winded. And Esme has a birthday party at 1 across the street, so it's like all good. But we gotta hustle our boots, shka-boots. We gotta go. My children are screaming. This is fun. Hi there, I'm just picking up my groceries. I think so. There was one substitute, or one that the oat milk wasn't available. That's fine. Yeah, no problem.
And the fish time.
It's hot. Well, I'm on my way to a workout class, and this is my outfit today. Have you guys seen this one? Fitbit. I love this Fitbit Versa. It's kind of like a weird short situation. It's like shorts and then it has this little, you know what? I don't know. I got it on the discount rack. I think they're Puma. And then this is an Old Navy top with a Joe Fresh sports top, and it's got a very strappy in the back. And then as you know, I'm growing out the pixie, so I've got a little one of Esme's hair ties on my hair. And that is the scoop because I don't like all this in the front of my face. Normally, I don't wear makeup to work out, but I just went live on YouTube. So if you missed it, click wherever the clipping thing is, go watch it. It's a little update, a little back to school solo parenting hack situation. And it was fun because it's been a minute since I went live and I always forget how much I enjoy that. So I'm on my way to do that. I gotta pick something up at the grocery store and I think I'll do that right after. I was thinking about getting a barbecue chicken, roast chicken, that kind of thing for dinner tonight. But you know, Jack never wants to eat that, so like, I don't know. Whatever, I'll go with the flow. Maybe that, some mac and cheese, and some sort of vegetable on the side that the kids will eat. That's what I'm up to. Back from working out. It was a great workout. I feel wonderful. It wasn't too like intense, but I worked my muscles and that feels nice. I'll show you what I picked up for a couple of groceries, like for a little bit of dinner situation tonight, and some things that I missed from yesterday's grocery haul. We got some orange juice, pulp free, because Jack does not do pulp. We have some bread, and my children are fans of white bread, and you know what? It's a battle I'm not willing to fight here. Breakfast sausages, yum, Jack likes those. Coffee, this is my favorite coffee. Crema e gusto, classico. Italian coffee, it's fabulous. I got some tabbouleh salad. When I'm solo, these are little things I like to eat. Did it start leaking? The nerve. And turkey kielbasa. Kids love that in their lunch. A little bit of protein. What else have I got? Oh, some raisin bread. Esme and I really enjoy raisin bread. Esme has a couple stains in some things, so we're gonna try this OxyClean Max Force. I got myself some, it's leaking, everything's leaking. Broccoli, what? No, Brussels sprouts, and I should have debagged this and then showed you, but I'm hungry, can you tell? I can't like focus. And I got a chicken, a nice barbecue chicken. Esme loves that, I love it. That'll be a nice dinner for tonight. So there, just a couple things I was missing. It's now 1:30 and I'm going to have lunch, then I'm going to get ready, and then I'm going to maybe have a little bit of time either for downtime or like some emails, because I do need to get to emails today for sure. And there's lunch. I've got a smoked meat wrap with all sorts of yummy stuff in it, and then some of this tabbouleh salad. It's not the best, but you know what? I'm not making myself a tabbouleh salad right now, so this will work. I'm dressed. I've done one of those like body showers. I put a little makeup on to film this morning and I was like, well, why mess with that? And I have to wash my hair tonight or tomorrow morning, so, but I was a little bit like stinky. I think I wore like a natural deodorant that was like not one of my good natural deodorants, and let me just tell you, I was like, nope, we need to have a shower. So we are cleaned, and I'm making a quick coffee, and this hair is just, yeah, it needs to be cleaned. Disregard. But I'm making a coffee, and then I gotta leave in about like 10 minutes or so. So take a 10-minute break, and then I'm off to get the kids. And let me just tell you, those hours go like this, just so fast. I'm like, God damn it, I got so much to do. Anyway, but what's nice is when they come home, they're gonna wanna have quiet time. So we'll usually do like an hour of like snacks and chill, and everyone's like, on their iPads, and then they'll probably play outside once it cools down a little bit. So that's our evening routine a little. And I'm going to be bringing a nice cold drink. There's actually iced tea in here, which, yeah, it's sugary as shit, but you know what? They're thirsty and they like it. And it's really hot outside. Like, it's so hot, so I'll enjoy it too. But yeah, a little drink. They don't need snacks because we're just minutes from home, so we'll come home to have a snack. Here, kids are home. We'll go sneak a peek on them. They have snacks and they have iPads and they're chilling. And this one, well, she's the usual cuteness. Hi, cute baby. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, cute baby girl. I just love her, even though she takes up so much of my bed every night. Anyway, so now what I do at the end of every day is I go straight to their backpacks. I get their backpack. I go through their lunch to see what they've eaten or what they haven't eaten. I haven't actually taken them apart yet, so let's see how they did. This is like my favorite part of the day. Also, AirPods, I just figured out how to program them. So like when I double tap, it unpauses it. But also if you take it out of your ear, it'll pause it. But I love today's episode with armchair expert Dax Shepard and Ike. Is that his name? Ike? Yeah, he is hilarious. He's the really funny, kooky nurse guy on the Mindy Kaling show. Oh my God, what is it called? can't remember the name of her show right now. That's weird. Anyway, I really like that show. And I did not realize, like, he is so funny. Anyway, so I'm like literally laughing out loud every 5 minutes. Okay, back to what I was doing. Let's look at their lunch boxes. So he had a little bit of his snacker. Okay, so he ate 1 pancake. This, what was this? Oh, he ate all that smoked meat. I'm tempted to give him a smoked meat sandwich tomorrow and see if he eats it. He had a couple Fruit Loops. He had a couple of these little snap pea things. What are they called? Snap pea crisps. And he really likes grated cheese. And in here, gross, yogurt. And he ate all of it. Awesome, so he did pretty good. Not a lot of like heavy foods in his belly, but he'll learn. When you're hungry, you eat. Okay, so that's his. She went through an applesauce thing, a little fruit on the go. It's like a fruit leather, and then a yogurt fruit bar. So she ate all of that. Raisins still intact. Cool. And then she had, let's say, half a sandwich combined. She ate, I don't know what was in there. Cheese? No, that was smoked meat. She had most of the snap pea crisps, no raisins. She ate most of her tomatoes and her Fruit Loops and most of her fruit. So she did pretty good. But this is the most I've seen in Esme's lunch since starting school. I just don't think she enjoyed that sandwich. So all good. Also, it was really hot today. Like when the kids came out of school, they were all like rosy cheeked. And I think when it's super hot out, I know I don't feel too inclined to eat, and I think they feel the same way. Now they're both starving. So I'm gonna get dinner ready, get that out to them. Probably gonna have a little bit of an earlier dinner, and then like hopefully an early night. Hopefully. Here we go. Coffee. Cute dog is still cute. Kitchen is clean. And my pants might be undone because you know what? I'm over wearing jeans. It's the end of the night. My children are playing. I may go sit out on the deck because I don't think it's too, I'm tired. Because you know why? Because fall's coming and I want to enjoy the outdoors while I can. And also my kids need to run around the yard and they want me to play with them. I'm just not in the mood. And I feel guilty about it. I'm like, can you guys just play and I watch? Anyway. I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of a shorter one. I don't know if I'm gonna do the narrating part this time because honestly I've just run out of time. And I'm at an event tomorrow, Tuesday, and I gotta get this to my editor, so we're switching stuff up every now and then. If you're new, please subscribe. I'll see you likely on Friday with another video, and if not, I'll see you next week. Bye guys. I had to pop on here real quick just to say that it's like 9:30 at night, and I am legit putting together this dream catcher because my son, like, I am not into this. Oh my Christ. My son is totally freaked out about having scary dreams and has decided that this is needed. So what's this gonna take me, like an hour? For the love. Anyway, because if he wakes up and this is not hanging from the wall, mom life, mom life.